The H5A282 steam locomotive was a specific class of Mikado type locomotive primarily used by the New York Central NYC railroad system. Overview. The H5 class locomotives were a large group on the NYC, with 661 total units on the system roster, most of which were rebuilt from G5 Class 280 consolidation type locomotives between 1913 and 1915. The A designation likely refers to a specific subclass or minor variation within the broader H5 class, potentially involving different builders or minor mechanical differences. Key specifications. The general specifications for the NYC H5 Class 282 Mikado locomotives were uniform across both newly built and rebuilt units. Wheel arrangement: 282 Mikado, 2 leading wheels, 8 coupled driving wheels, and 2 trailing wheels. Driver diameter: 63 inches. Cylinders: 25 inches by 32. Boiler pressure: 205 psi pounds per square inch. Tractive effort: 55,317 pounds. Weight: 294,700 pounds. Variations in heating surface existed between the rebuilt and new locomotives. Rebuilt units: evaporative heating surface of 3,777 square feet and a combined heating surface with superheater of 4,659 square feet. New units built by Lima: evaporative heating surface of 4,031 square feet and a combined heating surface with superheater of 4,901 square feet. Usage and history. The H5 locomotives were primarily used for freight service across the NYC system and its various leased lines and subsidiaries, including the Cleveland, Cincinnati, Chicago and St. Louis CCC and STL, the Boston and Albany, and the Lake Shore and Michigan Southern. They were a vital part of the New York Central's freight operations for many years until their eventual retirement. No H5 Class 282 locomotives are known to have survived today. Kotton Klenser products provide a method for cleaning and maintaining a variety of the assets in your home or business that will restore and increase their value. Everyone has treasured valuables that with age have become weathered and worn and suffer the accumulation of dirt and tarnish that dull their luster. Kotton Klenser products will clean and preserve the valuables you love and treasure. Your time is valuable and Kotton Klenser products shorten the time and effort needed to clean and preserve the assets in a home or business. Before attempting to clean any surface, it is important to read the directions contained in the Kotton Klenser products instruction pamphlet and take notice of caution labels on Kotton Klenser products. You may use the QR code or alternatively click on the PayPal Buy button link in the video description to order today.
To scan a QR code from a video, take a screenshot when the code is visible. Then, open the screenshot with a QR scanner, or use tools like Google Lens on Android or Live Text on iPhone to scan the code.
You may use the QR code or alternatively click on the PayPal Buy button link in the video description to order today. You may use the QR code or alternatively click on the PayPal Buy button link in the video description to order